Hi there everyone, welcome back to Rust Tutorials. I'm Ida and today we're diving into the world of Rust programming. We've got an exciting topic lined up for today, implementing business rules with a specification pattern. So grab your coding gear and let's get started. Now, most applications require business rules, right? Especially when it comes to things like data validation. But the key to implement these rules in a way that's flexible, clear and easy to maintain. And that's where the specification pattern comes into play. In this example, we're going to build a simple and adaptable email validator in Rust. So, buckle up, fellow coders, because we're about to get into the nitty-gritty of some Rust code. First off, we have the email validator trait. Take a look at this. I promise you it's very simple. All this does is try and validate an email address struct. Speaking of which, here is the email address struct. To make validation a little easier, we divide the email address into a username, that's the bit before the @, and the domain, that's the bit after the @. Now, let's meet the username validator. This checks whether the username has a minimum length and has more, introducing the domain validator. Now, the domain validator checks the minimum length of the domain and whether the domain is allowed. And here comes the magic. We bring it all together in the email validator impl or implementation. And there you have it. Now pay attention to a couple of key points here. The email validator implementation has a vector of objects implementing the email validator interface. And in the isValid method we use the iter method to iterate over the validators and the all method to make sure every validator returns true. But wait, there's more! We can't forget testing. Let's run a quick test. Again, there you have it. Implementing business rules with a specification pattern in Rust is straightforward and flexible, not to mention simple. Adding new validators is a breeze. Just write the validator and include it in the array. While our example focuses on simplicity, the possibilities for enhancements are endless. Future iterations could include more informative error messages, a topic we'll save for another video. Well, that's a wrap for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed our journey into Rust programming and the specification pattern. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!